it fell. I remember the grass and the way it smelled. Running around without a care in the world. So much to live for, so much to learn. Time can change us from head to toe. Live your dreams or lose control. And all our actions make us who we are. So please forgive me for the things I've done. 'Cause I figured it out, but once again I'm late. And it's the same old story on a different day. And I'm willing to change, I just don't know how. But I hit rock bottom, so I start right now. Voices whisper that I'm not to blame. They say everyone's afraid of change. Sounds to me like they give it up. But they don't know the heart I've got. And I wasted years in this made-up cage. I painted the walls with regret and rings. I know exactly what I have to do. Now that I found my way back to you. Well, I figured it out, but once again